Hello everyone, welcome to my Yumeko Jabami cosplay tutorial. From now on, you may refer to me as a loser cat with a gambling addiction. Starting with the makeup, I wore these dark red circle lenses, then filled in my brows with a matte black eyeshadow, using a spoolie to blend in shape and a Q-tip to clean up the edges. I primed my face because I kind of forgot to do it before my brows. Then I used foundation on a large shader brush to further define and clean up. Then I applied more foundation with a damp sponge to the rest of my face. I continued using the sponge but with loose powder to set everything in place. I contoured my nose, then applied a rosy pink blush across my face in a horizontal fashion. I lined my upper lash line with a black eyeliner pencil, then used a matte dark brown eyeshadow to smudge it out while simultaneously setting the pencil. I repeated these steps halfway down my lower lash line, making sure to connect and slightly extend the outer corner. I tightlined with the same black liner and applied white eyeliner to my waterline. Then I applied mascara to my top and bottom lashes, along with these gorgeous wispy false lashes for that extra oomph. I finished the look with a lip gloss that's a slightly darker color than my natural lips and setting spray. Moving on to the wig, Kasao Wig literally has a Yumeko wig that's jet black, extra long, with pre-cut bangs and face framing pieces. I separated the sides from the rest of the hair, then used a comb and cutting shears to clean up the ends. I applied silicone spray to the rest of the hair, working from the bottom up to help with the inevitable tangling, and brushed it out with a wig brush. Lastly, we have the outfit. I purchased this Yumeko cosplay and brown loafers from Cosplay Binner. I also wore these semi-sheer black tights, pet tag, and silver thumb ring. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments section, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more content, and subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me. And until next time, please take care and stay well.